Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Takara, or you can call me TEEKS. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. And I am back with another video today. I know I've been doing a lot of lookbooks, but I had to come back with a hair video because homeboy, it's time to take this out. It's time to take this hair out. It's long overdue. My natural hair, like my curly hair underneath these locks, are like, bitch, it's been too long. Take it out. It's over with. It's done. Let it go. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my faux locks. And I'm also going to just be giving you guys some tips and tricks on, you know, how to kind of like remove any buildup in your hair. And just 2 different ways that you can get rid of the locks easily. So yeah, so if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys click that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Subscribe to my channel because we're pretty lit over here. We do fashion, we do hair, we do a little bit of sewing, everything fashion and beauty over here. So definitely tune in. Also, if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, I always post like my fashion behind the scenes outfits, makeup looks, and just like if I'm sewing or designing something new, I do all of that on my Snapchat. I talk on my Twitter. I like to talk about fashion and such, and music, and on my Instagram as well. So make sure you guys check me out at Takara and follow me over there. Go do that right now. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Lego. Alright, my hair is literally like screaming underneath this, darling. My hair is like, let me loose. I want to be loose. I'm looking over here is because I'm looking in the mirror, but alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down. Woo! All this hair, girl, all this hair. And I'm just gonna like spray my hair just to like, you know, loosen up the hair a little bit, make it a little bit easier for me to take it down, moisturize it a little bit. That's just what I'm gonna do. So that way, like when I'm taking my hair out at the top, that it's not like tugging on my hair and like ripping out strands and stuff. We just want to make it as gentle as possible. So make sure you go ahead and take out any of your little charms or your little decor that you have in your hair. And that is what I am going to do. Okay, so the first way that you can take these out is by cutting the ends. You can cut the ends and this just makes it a little bit easier to take it out. You could just start off by cutting the ends, and this is just going to make it a little bit easier for us to basically unravel the hair. So just cut the ends off, and then you're just going to untwist the hair. You guys, it's literally probably the easiest thing ever, like, to take these out, but I just wanted to show the process. We're also, like, I think I'm going to do another video showing you guys a length check. So of course you guys know I knotted these at the top, so you're just going to want to unknot these. You have to be really careful with this because my hair is kind of like matted at the top. So like I said, just be really gentle, and then you just pull out the hair, and then you have your hair out. Yeah, so that is it. So way number 2 that you can do this, I'm gonna show you guys the first way again. We just are cutting it, and unraveling it. and you pull it out. Sorry. Pull it out. So the second way that you can do this is you don't have to cut. You can just unravel. And you can just twist it. Like so. Ow! I just hit myself in the eye. Ah! So you just untwist it just like how when we twisted it, and then find that knot at the top and unknot that and then pull it out. And there you have it. On this side, you just find, mine were already unraveling so it makes it a little bit easier. But just find it and unravel. Unravel it just like how when I twisted them. And I've had this hair in for about, I've had this hair in since Christmas. So Christmas of 2017. I've had these in. They've lasted me for a long time. Some people take them out like after a month. I left mine in. I did a lot of like when they would like unravel or anything like that. I would just retwist them and refreshen them, and then they were okay. So definitely if you want to keep them in for a longer time, just make sure you're moisturizing your scalp and such, and make sure you're moisturizing your scalp and that you are like spraying your hair with water and that you are retwisting or whatever to make them look cleaner, and you should be good to go. If you guys have ever had locks, comment below, like down in the comments below how long you had your locks for and how long did your hair grow when you kept the locks in. Just be careful not to cut your own hair. You definitely don't want to do that. Okay guys, so now this is the hair. This is what it looks like after I took all this out. This is what the hair looks like. So as you guys can see, all of my braids are still in, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking my braids down. I'm going to take the Innate Life Rose Hair oil, and this is for dry, damaged, and frizzy hair. And I'm going to put a little bit of this onto my hands, just so that way when and it has like this little squeezer. When I'm taking the braids out, that I have like some type of moisturizer on my hands. And there is a lot of buildup on my hair, as I can see. So you're just going to want to take like a comb, kind of like gently brush that out. Especially at this top part. Oops. From the streets to black businesses, level 4 y'all living, give it
to false imprisonment. Listen close, my nigga. It's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary, we close, my nigga. Get straight like that. I give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations, we've been dealt bad hands with bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out grand hands.
Okay, you guys, so I have this side of my hair pretty much out. I've been using the Innate Life Rose Hair oil on it as I go. I've been adding more oil to my hands, and yeah, so now I'm doing this side, taking out these braids. So yeah, let's keep going. Alright guys, so this is my hair after I have taken out all the braids. This is what it looks like. It's just so bad. I'm so ready to wash it. But let me turn around so you guys can see the back. I definitely can see the growth within my hair a lot. My hair definitely grew, but I know you guys probably want to know how much hair did I lose from wearing these Faux Locs, and this is about how much hair came out from the braids and stuff like that of me doing it, which I honestly think this was not that much. I mean, it is a lot. I feel like this was normal shedding, like everyday hair shedding, so definitely happy about that not as much hair came out, because I've seen people have like way more that comes out of their hair. Yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my oil and I'm going to just put this all on my hair. You can heat yours up or it's whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to, you can heat yours up or whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to put this on my hair, because then I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to use my Diva Curl Build Up Buster on my hair, and I'm going to use my hair mask from my Diva Curl kit that I used in my winter curly hair routine. I'll link that up here if you haven't seen that. I'm just going to get in the shower and do that exact same routine. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my hair. Guys want my opinions on, like, as far as like these crochet locks, I definitely would recommend getting them for like a protective style. Literally super easy to put in. I have a hair tutorial on how to put them in. If you guys want to see, I will link that, as well as the hair that I use. I'll have all that in the description box of that video. And yeah, as far as like taking them out, it's really simple to take them out. As you guys can see, it really did not, it wasn't like too hard to take them out, and it didn't do any like damage to my hair, like pulling out a lot of my hair or anything like that. So I will definitely be getting some more of these. Like, you guys will definitely see me rocking some more crochet locks, because I still have about like 4 packets of crochet hair left in my closet. So y'all will definitely see me rocking this hairstyle again sometime this year, when I want to just give my hair a break. Overall, I love them. I love them. I love them. I definitely want to try like a different color next time, maybe like a really like platinum blonde locks or whatever. So yeah, y'all should definitely tell me what you guys think, or you guys can also tell me like what other hairstyles I should try out besides crochet locks, because I definitely want to try some out. So like I said, I'm going to be going in the shower and doing my mask and everything like that on my hair. You can also, I meant to tell you guys can also add some shea butter if you guys want to. And this is, like I said, just to kind of like prep your hair before you go in and wash it and stuff, and you can let it sit. I'm just going to apply some, like I said, just to prep my hair before I go in and wash it and everything. And you can let this sit on your hair for a little bit. But I know it's probably going to be more hair that's probably going to come out in the shower too. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this tutorial on how I remove my faux locks, and just giving you guys the extra tips on the faux locks and how to take them out of your hair. If you guys have any more questions about the faux locks or how my experience went with having the faux locks, definitely feel free to comment in the comments below, and we can all chat in the comments and just help each other out. You guys can answer each other's questions as well, and just, you know, let's start a discussion in the comments below. Also, stay tuned for my spring curly hair routine video, like my updated like routine video, because I will be doing one so you guys can see how I like do my hair once it starts getting like hotter. I do my curly hair and such. And if there are any other like hair tutorials or curly hair videos that you guys would like to see, make sure you guys drop those in the comments as well, so that way I know what you guys would like to see as far as hair videos go. Other than that, make sure that you subscribe so that way you won't miss out on those videos, and turn your post notifications on. Give this video a like if it helped you out. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.
Join the Teacup family by copying you some of the dopest merch here on YouTube. We have our Curls collection and See You at the Top collection merch now available at takaraone.bigcartel.com. So shop the site before it's all sold out. Link in the description, and I will see you at the top.